Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. A Simplex jack, which you can use, you can lift heavier things, but it's generally not something I use for multi-ton. It will go to that. It's a mechanical jack. You can use the longer side, and you can use the shorter side. You want to go up, you pull this little handle right here up, then it goes up both here and here, and it's driven with those gears inside. So we're going up, we're going down, down. That's what we're doing today with this. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.